Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating no down payment, rent-to-own, modern minimalist house sa Las Piñas. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Yes buddy, you heard it right. No down payment ito, kaya naman reservation fee at bank fees lang ang ilalabas mo. At aantayin na lang natin ang loan guarantee ay bank at subject for turnover na agad ang ating unit. Move-in ready na nga din itong mga buddy at dadalhin mo na lang ang gamit at family mo dahil complete finished turnover na ito at may water and electricity na. At alam mo ba buddy na all in na to at wala nang hidden charges pa. Sample peg nga itong nasa video ng ating finished turnover dahil ongoing construction po ang ating unit at ang timeline ng finish nito ay this July 2025. Located sa Pilar Village, Las Piñas, malapit sa Manila, Airport, Makati at Alabang at ang ating estimated monthly amortization via bank financing is 57,000. At may affordable din tayong rent-to-own sa Cavite for as low as 4,000 monthly DP. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!